Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn about the string methods. So in Python, expressions and built-in functions may work across a range of types, but methods are generally specific to object types like string methods. So here, string is an object and method are the functions that are attached to the string object. So when we say string methods, it's mean strings is an object and method it's a function that is attached to this object. If someone asks you the difference between a function and a method, you can say methods are simply functions that are associated with and act upon particular objects. So technically, methods are attributes attached to an object that happens to reference callable functions which always have an implied subject. If we go more deeper, then functions are package code and method calls combine two operations at once. First, the attribute fetch and the second, call. You may ask, what is attribute fetch? So attribute fetch is an expression of the form object dot attribute. It means fetch the value of attribute in object. So you may also ask, then what is a call? So a function call is the form function and argument, meaning invoke the code of function, or you can also say execute the function here. So whenever you write a function like function name and with the brackets, you are asking the interpreter to execute the function where you are calling it. So when we call a method, basically you are putting both together. So calling a method, it means you are asking interpreter to fetch the attribute and call the function. So how you call a method? It's like object dot method and argument. So this argument can be empty. Empty means zero arguments, or you can give any number of arguments that the method supports. So let's see how we can call a method. So let's create a string. See Python and for example we want to find we give a substring th and we want to find whether this th is present in the string or not. So we use find method for this. So if we print the result, we will get the position. So when we print the result, we will get 2. Here 2 means where it basically present in the string. So here th is present at 0, 1 and 2. So the first character of this substring where it present, it returns that index value. That's all for this video. In the next video, we will see some commonly used string methods. Till then, thanks for watching and stay tuned.